Hello, and welcome to famous Hollywood movie Luts preset. In this instructional video, I'll show you how easy it is to install and use the presets. I will also show you how to make additional modifications for the desired effect. Say you wish to make a scene a little brighter or darker, or any other minor modification. You can do it easily, instantly, and in real time, all within the famous Hollywood movie Luts preset. Lumetri color. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that Lumetri color is turned on. When we click on Color Workspace, we can see Lumetri color at the top of the panel, but just in case you do not see it, go to Window, then select Lumetri color. Installation. Now let's install the presets in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, click on double arrows, then click on Effects. Now right-click on Presets and click on Import Presets. A new window will appear. Click on the famous Hollywood movie Luts preset file and open. It will be displayed shortly under the Presets menu. When we click on it, we can see all the movie Luts available, listed as they appear in the catalogue. Environment. There are many factors that affect the end result, but the most important is the environment from which a LUT was designed. For the best results, I advise you to use the videos shot in a similar environment and lighting conditions. If a LUT is created from the dark scene, you should be color grading the video which was shot in a dark or a similar lighting condition. So, how does it work? Let's assume we're working on this video clip. In this case, we're using a RAW footage brought to us by our partner RAW.FILM. Let's take as an example Spy the movie. We can see the colors that have been used in this preset and the effect we want to achieve. We drag and drop Spy 6 into the adjustment layer, and we can see that it gives us an instant preview of the effect we just created. Here we can also see the name of the preset, so we can make a note and get back to it later when we need it. From this point, we can improve the effect by making a few minor adjustments in the Creative panel. Let's say in this case, we want to strengthen or soften this effect slightly. We can do that by using the Intensity slider. We increase the effect when we raise the positive values, and of course we reduce the effect when we move the slider in the opposite direction. So depending on the video clip you're working on, you can use the Intensity slider to achieve the desired effect. The effect's default values are set at 100.